Jersey 12, Andres Cyril Faith. Jersey number 13, Corong Cassandra. Jersey number 14, Mundiar Saint Teresa Jasmine. And jersey number 15, Abu Abu Richmond. And that's for Sariano Elamud Agusan del Sur. With which Ma'am Arceli is Almonicar. For Team Barangay Magagoy, Marian Cassandra Galot. Jersey number 2, Nercel Palomares. Jersey number 5, Monicris Lusurata. Diane Princess Mula. Margaret Baldomero, the team captain. Jamela Plaza, jersey number 3. Mary Joy Metante, jersey number 4. And Micah Tulay, jersey number 17. With their head coach, Sir Guapilio. Sige na. Masyari ka. Sikan na. Okay, both teams, God bless. This is the championship match for this our one-day open league. Remember coaches, 2 out of 3 sets po tayo. So ibig sabihin, 2 set dapat manalo kayo. Then kada set, 25 points. Okay, our first referee, Sir John Ree Villasio, first referee. Our second referee, Sir Jeffrey Villasio, national referee, with our line judges. All players, please proceed to the sideline of the court. Where is Sir Jeffrey Villasencio? You are badly needed here in our courts. Technical officials break to? Sa man to? Sinayan na lang. Mistake. Okay, so R5 muna, wala pa? Alright, for our first 6 of San Mariano Elementary School, Agusan del Sur Division, jersey number 5, jersey number 15, jersey number 13, jersey number 2, jersey number 1, jersey number 14, and Lepero jersey number 7 and 4, with their head coach, Ma'am Almonicar. For Bislig City Division, Team Barangay Mangagoy, first 6, jersey number 3, jersey number 2, jersey number 5, jersey number 1, jersey number 7, jersey number 8, with their head coach, Sir Alan Legaspo. Both teams, good luck and God bless. Every set, 25 points po tayo. Mahirap maging champion kasi malaki yung premyo. Dapat paghirapan. Okay, first to serve, San Mariano ES. Let's get into rumble. Pasok na pasok for Bislig City. Serving love. Alright, for Bislig City. Madali lang, nag-1-5 shoelace, nag-tie. Teach your players to tie your shoelaces. Setter na service line. Pasok na pasok yun. Tabla po tayo. 1-all. Jersey number 15 is now serving Abu Abu. Attack error committed by jersey number 1, 2 points for Agusan. Abu Abu is still serving. Service ace for Abu Abu. 3, serving 1. Rich Mian still serving. Service error committed. Puntos ng Bislig. Service line at jersey number 5, Palong Mares. Service error committed by Bislig. 4, serving 2. Jersey number 13, Corong Cassandra is now serving. Okay, puntos ng Bislig. Sinuntok yung bola sa walang tao. Puntos po yun. Team captain is now serving. Service ace ng team captain. Tabla na po tayo sa 4. Service ace na naman ng jersey number 1, 5, serving 4. Service serve na naman para sa Bislig 6. 2 puntos na po ang kalamangan ng Bislig. Sayang yun. Puntos ng Agusan. 5, serving 6. The service na we have Lasea. Service ace ni Lasea. 6 all. Sana all. Lasea again. Service error committed by Lasea. The service now we have jersey number 7. Service error committed by jersey number 7. Tabla na naman po tayo sa 7. Team captain, I serve, receive, set, dinerecho. Receive, pinalo, pasok na pasok, inside, nice attack by Agusan del Sur. 8, serving 7. Team captain, Gogo Lodo. Overshoot, may sumabi. No touch violation. 9, serving 7. Still the team captain. Walang kataw-taw sa gitna. Pasok yun. Puntos ng Bislig. 8, serving 9. Antos ng Agusan, 10, serving 8. Jersey number 14, Mondia. Service ace by Mondiar, 11. Serving 8, 3 puntos na po ang kalamangan ng Agusan. Service error committed by Mondiar. Middle blocker ng Bislig is now serving. Mahina, hindi pumasok, 12, serving 9. Jersey number 5, the setter. Siyadong malakas yun. Service error, puntos ng Bislig. Setter ng Bislig is about to serve. Hindi pumasok. Puntos ng Agusan. 13, serving 10. The service line. Abu-abu again. Charles, nanalo yung Agusan. Puntos para sa Agusan. Time out! Bislig. Musik sa ito, musik. Sir Ayan Ben Salim. Abu-abu is about to serve. Laman po ng 4 na puntos ang Agusan. Puntos na naman ng Bislig. 11 serving 14. 3 puntos na lang po ang inahabol ng Bislig. Palomares is now serving. Di pumasok yung palo, puntos lang abusan. Torong is now serving. Lumabas yung bola, puntos ng agusan. 16 serving 11. Torong still serving. Nice attack. Puntos ng agusan. Inulungan pa ng net. Puntos na naman. 7 puntos na po ang inahabol ng Bislig. Lumabas yung bola, service error committed by Agusan. Team captain of Bislig is about to serve. Walang sumabit, puntos ng Agusan. 19 serving 12. 6 na puntos na lang para sa Agusan Lizona ang set na ito. Service ace for Lacia. Time out.
Join the rhythm, hearts full of life. Hands in the air, share that shine.
Ay sumabit na naman. Puntos na naman ang Agusan. Lacia still serving. Kuha yung bola, set. Tinalo. Sabi ng line judge, lumabas. Puntos ng Agusan. 22 serving 12. 3 points na lang po sa Agusan Lizona ang set na ito. Crystal Grace. Napakalakas nun. Puntos ng Bislig. Jersey number 7. Labas ang bola, puntos ng Agusan. 23 serving 13. Team captain. Set point for Agusan. Team captain still serving. Kogolodo. Receive. Set. Lumabas. Set 1 belongs to Agusan del Sur.